Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly pet subscription. You get 3 options. The first option is $15, and inside that you get toys and treats. Now the next one is $18, and you get to choose whether you like just toys only or treats only. Now I have the $18 bag, and I choose toys only. Now there's another one for $25, and that one is for multiple pets in your home. You also get toys and treats inside that. So let's go ahead and see what I have for May. It comes in this mailer, so let's see. I don't have my scissors in here. Let's just tear into this, shall we? Now each month you get a bandana. Wow, look at this one. Very jungle-like, with cheetahs and birds and all kinds of fun stuff on there. Now, if you have a small pet, by the way, you do get to set a profile based on the size of your pet and whether it's a cat or a dog. So if you have a cat or a small dog, this will be half the size. So it'll fit. So everybody gets one of those. And then they have a program called Pick of the Litter. Now, if you showcase your pet with some of these toys and maybe the bandana, submit a picture, you might get chosen to be Pick of the Litter. And this month, it is Ace. Look at that beautiful face. I have a thing for cute faces on animals. I'm just a sucker. That's why I think I have so many. I have 6 dogs, 4 small ones, 2 big ones, and then I am down to 1 cat. To the toys. So the first thing I have are these rubber rings. This is by President's Choice. This is a tug and play dog toy, and you can see that we have 3 different colors. It's a pretty firm rubber, I would say, but you can have some tug-of-war fun with this, or just throw them, or just let them chew them up. So that's the first item. Oh, I only get 2 this month? I'm supposed to get 3. So not thrilled about that. And then we have an avocado with a little smiley face on it. Very cute. Now this is by Ruffin It, the plush avocado dog toy with squeaker. Oh yeah, I feel it right here. And that is what we have there. Now we are supposed to get 3 toys. Do I reach out to the company and say, where's my 3rd toy? Because this is 18 bucks. This you can get for $18 in a store easily, but 3 toys? That would be difficult, because toys for your animals are expensive these days. I'm going to have to think about that and see what I want to do. Do I just want to skip it? Or do you want to reach out? Maybe I should, just to see what they do, and then I will let you know next month when I get next month's shipment. But here we are. My guys will be very happy with these. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day. Happy Memorial Day, and I will see you soon.